Do you like your 918 shaken or stirred? It's today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome to the garage for today's What's in the Box. We're looking at the Porsche 918 Spider with the Martini Racing Design Kit from Revell. Now, this kit was initially released in 2015. It came right after the street version that was released within the same year. The street version did get a US rebox the following year. This has not received a US rebox. This kit does have full engine detail, but unfortunately it's buried underneath an engine cover that's not movable, so it kind of makes it pointless, but the engine is there. Let's get to it. And getting started with the body. Moving along to the body parts tree, which contains front and rear bumper and some of the other body bits. Now we're going to take a look at the chassis parts tree, which, as you guessed, it contains the chassis. Now we'll take a look at the engine parts tree, which contains majority of the engine parts. And the next parts tree, it's going to be more of the focuses on the rear part of the vehicle. So this is all uses for out and back framing and what have you. And the brake parts tree, along with the front engine or electric motor, I believe it would be. Now we'll take a look at the interior parts tree and some other bits. There is the interior bucket. And the next parts tree, continue on, has the dash, steering wheel, some suspension bits, a rear wing, and now take a look at the clear parts tree. Now we're going to turn our attention to the chrome parts tree, which has the wheels, headlight buckets, mirror faces, and some other bits. The wheels. I'll take a look at the no brand blank side wall tires. And these tires are pretty terrible, like in most Revell kits. Actually, this I'm going to need a new set for this one. I know Palomos has made wheels and tires for this kit. If they're still available, that might be a good place to look and get some new tires. Now take a look at the Decal Sheet, which you can see has the Martini livery decals, as well as some carbon fiber decals, the decal for the engine, some brake decals, some detailed decals, so on and so forth. So that's going to do it for this look at the Porsche 918 Spider with the Martini Racing Design Kit from Revell. of course, if you want to get yourself some Porsche color match paint, pretty sure Scalefinishes can do that for the 918. Can make up some 918 colors is what I'm trying to say, if you don't want to necessarily go with the Martini colors. But you got this kit. So there you have it. On that note, thanks for watching.